So this is another video with the SMT10 thing, and I was wondering earlier today, I was just looking, and the front steering linkage here is getting a bit scratched up from crashing into things, and I was wondering if there's a way to sort of flip these upside down and have the steering linkage at the back of the axle. I've done a bit of looking online and I can't find anyone that has got a behind the axle steering kit for these, so I'm not entirely sure how it would work either. I'm guessing it would have to be underneath this link here, but I was thinking if I could move the position of this link up to here, then maybe it could fit under there. I'm not entirely sure, to be honest. But if anyone sees or has heard about a behind the axle steering kit for an SMT10 or these AR60 axles, then let me know and post a link to it in the comments. Now, the other thing I was thinking of doing as well is doing rear wheel steer, because this wheelbase of this truck is actually pretty long. As it stands now, it's the stock SMT10 length, and when you're running it in the garden and stuff, it's not exactly big. So I was thinking of getting rear wheel steer, but having it on a very, very low dual rate for the rear servo, so that it only turns like a tiny little bit, just to make it feel a bit more nimble and make it turn a bit sharper in the corners. Because at the moment, the only thing that's really limiting me on steering is probably like the wheels, or the tyres rather, rubbing on the trailing arms. So if anyone sees any good threads or knows of any good way to do a sort of, well, a rear steer's fairly easy, because I can just buy a front axle or these end parts and put them on the back. But the main thing I want to know is, can I put this steering linkage behind this axle somehow? And maybe that's not the case, but whatever, see if the internet knows.